Hello, BSc first year students. Today we will study the regeneration in chordates. Regeneration means generation after generation, puna. So regeneration, it is studied in the non-chordates as well as in the chordates. So here today's our bit for the study is the regeneration in chordates only. In previous syllabus there was a regeneration in non-chordates and chordates. So here, for your information, you remember regeneration power is more in non-chordate animals, and as the evolution is going on, so the regeneration power becomes less and less. So in chordate we have to study the regeneration. So chordate animals, you know that first group of animals in the chordata, they are the protochordates, then pisces, then amphibia, reptilia, ewes and mammals. chordate animalचे हे जे वेगवेगळे क्लासेस आहे किंवा ग्रुप्स आहे, ह्या ग्रुपचे जर आपण पुन्हा दोन ग्रुप पाडले, लोअर chordate and higher chordate. So in the higher chordate, ewes and mammals are there, and in the lower chordates, from the protochordata to the pisces, then amphibia and then reptilia. इथपर्यंत चे जे ग्रुप आहे यांना म्हणायचं लोअर chordate, आणि याच्यानंतर जे आहे एव्हज आणि मॅमल्स त्यांना म्हणायचं हायर chordates. म्हणजे chordate मध्ये पुन्हा दोन ग्रुप पाडले, लोअर chordate आणि हायर chordate. हायर chordate मध्ये फक्त एव्हज आणि मॅमल्स, आणि याच्या आधीचे सर्वचे आहे ते लोअर chordate. सो हियर you remember the regeneration power is more in the lower chordate and it becomes less in the higher chordate, means mammals and in birds. So here systematically we will study this bit, regeneration in chordates. You remember this is the last bit from your unit second. After completing this regeneration in chordates, our 2 unit is complete. We have 2 units. Syllabus is systematically point to point completed. So here the most common regeneration is most common in pisces, in amphibia and in reptilia. So these pisces, amphibia and reptilia are the lower chordate animals. So it is the most common in this group of animals. Remember that. In class pisces, remember these are the classes: class pisces, class amphibia, class reptilia, class ewes and class mammals. So these are the classes. So in the class pisces, regeneration is restricted, means regeneration is only in the fins. Regeneration is restricted. Regeneration is we can observe only in the fins. If the fin is broken accidentally or by any ways, that fins of the pisces can regenerate again. So it is restricted only in the fins. In amphibia, again there are different orders. Amphibia is a class. So in class amphibia, the order Urodela, there are different orders in the amphibia. One is the Urodela, another one is the Anura. So these are the different orders of the class amphibia. So here in class amphibia, Urodela, like the salamander. Remember, salamander animal belongs to the order Urodela and class amphibia. So in class amphibia, in order Urodela, one of the common animal, that is the salamander. So in that salamander, limbs, salamander having two pairs of limbs, forelimbs and hind limbs. So limbs, tails, external gills, jaws and parts of eyes are regenerated. Means here number of different organs can regenerate. In class Amphibia, in order Urodela, in salamander. Remember, means salamander having the more power of regeneration. So these are the different parts of the body which can regenerate. Now in class Amphibia and order Anura, one of the common animal, that is the Rana tigrina. This is the common frog found in the water, found in the whale. विहिरीमध्ये सापडणारा हा मोठा फ्रॉग असतो, बेडूक. विहिरीमध्ये तुम्ही जर डोकावून बघितलं तर तुम्हाला मोठे बेडक दिसतात, मोठे बेडूक दिसतात, असे लांब असतात. सो दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज द राना टायग्रिना. सो दॅट बिलॉंग्स टू द ऑर्डर अनुरा and class Amphibia. So in that Rana tigrina, limbs and tails, why and safety in larval stages. Remember, in the larva of the Rana tigrina, in larval stages, so that can regenerate it. At the time of metamorphosis, change in form is called as the metamorphosis. So remember about the Anura. Now in reptilia, there is the replacement of tails. Replacement of tails. In reptilia, if tail is broken, so that tail is regenerated. Reptilia. The best example of reptilia which show the regeneration you can observe, or already you have observed. So wall lizard, भिंतीवरची पाल आपण त्याला म्हणतो. रात्रीच्या वेळेस लाईटच्या जवळ किडे खाण्यासाठी जी पाल येते त्याला वॉल लिझार्ड. गार्डन लिझार्ड म्हणजे सरडा आणि वॉल लिझार्ड म्हणजे पाल. वॉल लिझार्ड कॉमन नेम, गार्डन लिझार्ड कॉमन नेम. सरडा गार्डन मध्ये जे असतो तो सरडा असतो. So that is the zoological name is the Calotis. And wall lizard, zoological name is the Hemidactylis. So anyway, wall lizard, the children are trying to break or to throw any stones or the slipper towards that wall lizard. So what happened? That wall lizard, after a little stroke, broke its tail and run away anywhere. त्या भिंतीवरच्या पालीला लहान लेकरं मारण्याचे जेव्हा प्रयत्न करतात, थोडंसं जरी त्याला धक्का लागला तर त्याची सेफ्टी तुटते आणि ती सेफ्टी वळवळत करते. तुम्ही पालीची तुटलेली सेफ्टी जर बघितलं, टेल बघितलं तुटलेलं, ब्रोकन टेल, सो दॅट हॅव्हिंग द मूवमेंट अँड द चिल्ड्रन्स आर लुकिंग टुवर्ड दॅट मूवमेंट ऑफ द टेल. ॲट द मेन व्हाईल द एनिमल रन अवे and after some day you can found that wall lizard coming to the light or eating the insects, and that having sometimes somewhat grown tail. So that is a regenerating tail. After some days that tail becomes as the previous. काही दिवसानंतर तुम्ही बघितलं का त्या टेलचं संपूर्ण रिजनरेशन होऊन जातं. सुरुवातीला छोटस, नंतर पुन्हा मोठं, नंतर पुन्हा मोठं, असं करून कंप्लीट टेल रिजनरेट होतं. सो दॅट इज द बेस्ट एक्झाम्पल इन द रेप्टाइल्स, इन द वॉल लिझार्ड, दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज द हेमिडॅक्टिल्स. नाउ इन द एव्स, in the class ewes or birds, remember ewes are also called as the birds. So here feathers and parts of beak, पंख आणि चोचीचे काही भाग, here the parts of beaks and claws, नख regenerate. Regeneration, we can study, we can observe in the ears, only in the feathers, in the part of beak and in the claws. पक्ष्यांचे जे नख असतात, claws. In mammals, regeneration is very poor because mammal is highly evolved animals, highly developed animals. And there is the law of regeneration. In the higher developed or higher evolved animals, regeneration power is less. In lower animals, regeneration power is more. So mammal is a highly evolved animals. So in the mammals, regeneration is very poor. There is a regeneration, but not the broken part is replaced externally. If any finger is broken accidentally, so there is no regeneration of the finger. If the nose is broken, there is no regeneration of the nose. If the ear is broken, no regeneration of the ear complete. But only the wound healing. जखम झाली, कुठल्याही कारणाने जखम झाली, पण तिथे रिजनरेशन ऑफ सेल्स होते आणि ती जखम भरून येते. दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज अ वुंड हिलिंग. जखम भरून येणे त्याला म्हणायचं वुंड हिलिंग. रिजनरेशन इन द नेल्स, नख वगैरे तुटला तर नख पुन्हा येऊ शकतो. बोन्स, बोन मध्ये रिजनरेशन होत असते. नर्व्स, काही नर्व्स असे की त्या तुटल्यानंतर पुन्हा रिजनरेट होतात. आरबीसीज and internal lining of gut and uterus, there is the regeneration. So today we have studied the regeneration in chordates only. In your syllabus there is a clear cut given regeneration in chordates. So here no need to study the non-chordates. Dear students, for today it is sufficient. Here you send your presentee as early as possible, and here our 2 unit is completed. So after this period, in the next period, I will give the questions for test and tutorial. One question for test number 1 and another question for the test tutorial number 1. So after the completion of 2 units, we have to arrange one test and one tutorial. So 2 questions I will give you, one for test first and one for tutorial first. That is internal continuous assessment for internal marks. So for today it is sufficient. Send your presentee as early as possible. Thank you.